Hello guys, here's my phone Xiaomi Mi A3. Start unpacking. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory in blue color, gem blue color. Okay. This we have key for SIM slot, documentary and protected back cover. Device, triple camera, okay, and completion. Adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. That's all without headphones, but is protected back cover. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of glass and metal. On the back side triple camera and LED. On the front side display 6-inch. On the right side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Downside USB Type-C port, upside headphone jack. Turn on device, Android 9, open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, this is octa-core processor, 2 GHz speed, Adreno 610, GPU resolution HD, display PPA. Okay, and look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, we made top 50. Then touches support display. Ranking, in ranking we made top 50. 49 place. Wait load. Ranking loading. Okay. 48 plates. Okay. Close this and open next test. This game test. Open GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Graphic level max. And start game. Game load, works good. Without lags and glitches, GTA San Andreas work good on this device. On the max graphic level. Okay. Talk about camera, triple camera, 48 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels, front camera 32 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.